Picture this. You're surrounded by a vast, endless ocean, stretching as far as the eye can see, but you can't touch or even see a single drop of water. It's all around you, yet completely invisible. That's the curious reality of nitrogen in our world. Nitrogen is an invisible gas, making up a whopping 78% of the air we breathe every single day. Every breath you take is mostly nitrogen, not oxygen, as many people assume. It's the silent majority in our atmosphere, quietly surrounding us at all times. Despite being hidden in plain sight, nitrogen is absolutely vital to life on Earth as we know it. Plants, animals, and humans all depend on nitrogen in ways that are both obvious and surprising. Without it, the lush forests, vibrant wildlife, and even our own bodies simply couldn't exist. Nitrogen is an element, a fundamental building block of our universe. On the periodic table, it's represented by the symbol N and holds a unique place among the elements that make up everything around us. Just like carbon forms the backbone of our bodies, nitrogen is a key component of DNA, the blueprint of life itself. It's woven into the very fabric of our genetic code, helping to create the proteins and molecules that keep us alive and thriving. But nitrogen's importance extends far beyond our biology. It's essential for growing the food we eat, fueling scientific discoveries, and powering industries that shape our modern lives. From the soil beneath our feet to the technology in our hands, nitrogen is everywhere. From the fields where farmers nurture crops, to the kitchens where chefs create delicious meals, and even in the labs and factories where innovation happens, nitrogen plays a crucial role in countless aspects of our world. Its influence is woven into the fabric of our daily routines. So, join me as we embark on a journey to uncover the fascinating story of nitrogen. Together, we'll explore its many uses, discover the science behind its presence, and understand the profound impact it has on our planet and our lives. The story of nitrogen is the story of life itself. We often take breathing for granted, rarely stopping to think about the invisible gases that fill our lungs with every breath. Each inhale is a silent, vital exchange with the atmosphere, connecting us to the world around us in ways we might not realize. But this simple act highlights nitrogen's crucial role in sustaining life on Earth. Nitrogen makes up the majority of the air we breathe, quietly supporting every living thing, even though we can't see or feel it. While we breathe in oxygen for energy, we also inhale nitrogen with every breath, about 4 times as much nitrogen as oxygen in fact. Yet, unlike oxygen, our bodies can't use nitrogen directly, so it passes through us unchanged. Although we can't directly use the nitrogen from the air, it's essential for all living things. Nitrogen is a building block of life, found in our DNA, proteins, and every cell in our bodies, as well as in all plants and animals. Plants, the foundation of our food chain, need nitrogen to grow strong and healthy. Without it, crops would wither, and the entire web of life would be disrupted. However, they can't absorb nitrogen gas directly from the air. The nitrogen in the atmosphere is locked in a form that plants can't use, creating a unique challenge for life on Earth. Here's where nature works its magic. Tiny microorganisms in the soil, such as bacteria living on plant roots, convert atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form for plants. This hidden partnership is vital for healthy ecosystems and agriculture. This process, known as nitrogen fixation, is a remarkable example of nature's intricate balance. It ensures that nitrogen cycles through the environment, nourishing plants, animals, and ultimately us. Animals, including humans, then get their nitrogen by eating plants or other animals that have consumed plants. In this way, nitrogen moves through the food chain, supporting life at every level. Without nitrogen, life as we know it simply wouldn't exist. It's the silent thread that connects every living thing, making our planet vibrant, diverse, and full of life. As our global population continues to grow, the challenge of feeding everyone becomes more complex and urgent. Every day, millions of people rely on a vast network of farmers, suppliers, and markets to put food on their tables. From bustling urban centers to remote rural villages, the need for nutritious, affordable food is universal. So too does the demand for food, stretching our agricultural systems to their limits. Supermarkets brim with produce, and families gather for meals. But behind the scenes, farmers work tirelessly to keep up with this ever-increasing demand. Nitrogen plays a critical role in modern agriculture. acting as a key ingredient in the growth and productivity of crops. By enriching the soil, nitrogen helps boost crop yields, making it possible to feed billions of people around the world. Farmers use nitrogen-based fertilizers to provide crops with the essential nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. These fertilizers are carefully applied to maximize plant growth and ensure bountiful harvests, supporting both local communities and global food supplies. These fertilizers, often containing ammonia or nitrates, release nitrogen into the soil, where it's absorbed by plants through their roots. This process fuels rapid growth, resulting in lush, green fields and abundant crops that help sustain our growing population. While nitrogen fertilizers have revolutionized agriculture and made it possible to feed more people than ever before, it's important to use them responsibly. Overuse or improper application can lead to unintended consequences for the environment. Excessive nitrogen can run off into rivers and lakes, causing harmful algal blooms that deplete oxygen and threaten aquatic life. These environmental impacts can disrupt entire ecosystems and even affect the quality of water that communities depend on. Finding sustainable ways to manage nitrogen in agriculture is crucial for ensuring food security while protecting our precious ecosystems. By adopting innovative farming practices and monitoring fertilizer use, we can nourish the world today and preserve the environment for future generations. Have you ever wondered how potato chips stay crispy or how packaged meats maintain their freshness for weeks? The answer, in many cases, is nitrogen. Nitrogen gas is used in food packaging to displace oxygen, which can cause spoilage. By creating an oxygen-free environment, nitrogen helps to slow down the growth of bacteria and mold, extending the shelf life of perishable foods. This preservation technique, known as modified atmosphere packaging, helps to reduce food waste and ensures that consumers can enjoy fresh, flavorful products. Next time you reach for a bag of chips or a pre-packaged salad, take a moment to appreciate the invisible hero, nitrogen, working behind the scenes to keep your food fresh. Beyond its role in agriculture and food preservation, nitrogen is a vital component in countless industrial processes. One of the most common industrial uses of nitrogen is in its liquid form. Liquid nitrogen, with its extremely low temperature of -196 degrees Celsius, is a powerful refrigerant. It's used to freeze and transport food, preserve biological samples like blood and tissues, and even to manufacture high-performance materials like stainless steel. Nitrogen is also used in welding to create an inert atmosphere that prevents oxidation, ensuring strong, durable welds. From construction to manufacturing, nitrogen plays a vital role in shaping our modern world. Nitrogen's contributions to our well-being extend to the field of medicine, where it plays a vital role in various applications. We've already touched upon liquid nitrogen's use in preserving biological samples, but its ability to rapidly cool also makes it valuable in cryosurgery. This technique utilizes extreme cold to destroy abnormal tissues, such as tumors, with minimal damage to surrounding healthy cells. Nitrogen is also a component of nitrous oxide, commonly known as laughing gas. This colorless, odorless gas acts as an anesthetic and analgesic, providing pain relief and sedation during medical and dental procedures. From preserving life-saving tissues to alleviating pain, nitrogen's contributions to healthcare are numerous and impactful. The technological advancements we often take for granted rely heavily on nitrogen's unique properties. One of the most well-known applications is in vehicle airbags. When a collision occurs, sensors trigger a rapid chemical reaction that generates nitrogen gas. This gas inflates the airbag almost instantly, providing a protective cushion for passengers. Nitrogen is also crucial in the manufacturing of electronics. It's used to create an inert atmosphere during the production of semiconductors and other sensitive electronic components, preventing contamination that can compromise performance. From ensuring our safety on the road to powering our digital world, nitrogen's role in technology is both diverse and indispensable. While nitrogen is essential for life and plays a vital role in countless applications, it's important to remember that even essential elements can have drawbacks if not managed responsibly. As mentioned earlier, Excessive nitrogen from fertilizers can pollute waterways and disrupt delicate ecosystems. Similarly, the release of nitrogen oxides from industrial processes and vehicle emissions contributes to air pollution and acid rain. Understanding the potential risks associated with nitrogen is crucial for developing sustainable practices that maximize its benefits while minimizing its negative impacts. By striking a balance, we can harness the power of nitrogen while safeguarding our planet for future generations. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, from the technologies we rely on to the medical treatments that keep us healthy, nitrogen is an invisible force that shapes our world in countless ways. While we may not always see it or think about it, nitrogen is an unsung hero, quietly working behind the scenes to support life and advance our civilization. As we continue to unlock the power of nitrogen, let us do so with respect and responsibility, ensuring that this essential element continues to benefit humanity and our planet for generations to come.